Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm about to show you how to create this. So without any further, let's begin. First, you have to make your working area, and then you choose typing tool right here, and you type your letter. Me, I'm gonna use C because I'm gonna use cheetah. Then you choose, you increase the size and you choose the font. So let's see the beautiful one we were. This one. No. Let me see. No. Okay. Let's see. You have to find the right font because we're gonna make it 3D. Not this one, no. Let's see. I think this one. No, this one. No, I think it's not gonna work because we're gonna this one. This one. You can see the name right here. Then we increase the size, and after you make sure you position it in your way, and you duplicate it by clicking Ctrl G, the shortcut. And after, let's hide this one and change the color of our letter. Right here you can copy my color, or you can use whatever you want. Then we make it group by clicking Ctrl J or G. Okay, then to make a 3D effect, you have to click Ctrl plus Alt plus this arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and then you click like 40. You can copy like 40 copies, and then we group it and we turn on our done, and we choose our photo right here. We're gonna choose this one. I download it on Google. You can search it. You can search yours. Okay, then we position it as we want, and you reduce capacity and increase it. So I want to make it, let's see, no, a little more, and like this one. Okay, this one, I think it's gonna look good. Then you right click and creeping mask, okay, and duplicate it and put below, and right click and creeping mask. Then we add on the top layer, we add exposure, and we increase the exposure like this one. Okay, then you click creeping mask. Then after, as you see, it's a 3D right now, and you duplicate it again, and okay, then let's add the creeping mask. Okay, that's good. And you select, or we're gonna remove this cheetah to the background by using our selecting tools, and then you click on select subject. Then Photoshop do the magic, you know what I mean? Okay, after selecting it, so then click on add the mask layer, then go to select and mask. Then we use this blush right here, and to select these edges and make it, you know, as you see, I think you already know. So feather, no, we're not gonna touch it, leave it that way. And the smooth, like 50. Then we go to the shift and edge, like this one, -21. Then click OK. Then select this creeping mask, then and touch the brushing tool. Then we're gonna erase this part, as you see. Okay, let's do it. Make sure the black is in a black. Okay, erase. All right. Let's see. All right. I think this looks good for me. So then after, we have to group it by Ctrl J and duplicate it. No, wait, let's make a shadow right here by making a new layer and select blush. Then you increase blush size and make sure here it's black. You put black, then click, then Control, and let's okay, Control, click Shift and drag all the way down, and let's put it under this letter right here. Okay, then place Enter or click. As you see, these edges, we have to remove it, so we have to add mask layer. Then we clean this one like this. All right, so then we duplicate this group and we click Ctrl T. Then we gonna flip vertical. Sorry, no, sorry, vertical. Then we're gonna put below this one. Sorry, my computer is running slowly, so I think my computer is dying. So guys, keep supporting me so I can be able to get another one, so I can make a good one, a good tutorial. So we're gonna put it like, you know, below this one. So we are going to make reflection, so put it below. No, let's use the arrow key, you know. Yes, right here. So then we're gonna add mask layer. Guys, as I told you, my computer is running low, so let's add mask layer and take the gradient color right here, choose gradient tool, then gradient tool. Then after adding the gradient tool, before we continue, if you didn't subscribe, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. So with this gradient, make sure here it's black and you're gonna print like this, you know. And then we're gonna make a background, you know, make a gradient color here. Okay, then we click right here to choose the color. You're gonna pick, we have to pick this one darker. Okay, as you can see, it's looking good. And this one, we're gonna pick this lighter one. God, it's not okay. Let's delete all of this. Then we choose another one. Let's choose no. Oh guys, please help me subscribe to my channel. Okay, darker and lighter, as we are saying. So guys, here's the effect. It's this one. So I hope you enjoy it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to make a